Hey y'all, Billy Thompson here. If you're looking to fix up your truck, figure out what that weird noise is, or just learn a thing or two about keeping your car running right, you've come to the right place. I keep it simple, straight up, and hands-on. Go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Enough jawing, let's dive in.
This code can appear on vehicles with automatic transmission. When there is a problem with shifting into fourth gear or when driving in fourth gear. The computer-controlled automatic transmission uses several gear ratios, increasing vehicle speed while maximizing engine power. The Engine Control Module, ECM, Transmission Control Module, PCM, or TCM, uses input from various sensors to check the correct functioning of the transmission and its components. The engine speed is often calculated from the transmission speed sensor to determine the torque converter ratio and slip. If the calculation does not match the desired value, diagnostic code P0734OBD2 is set and the engine check lamp lights up. Incorrect ratio codes usually require mechanical checks as well as scanner diagnostics. Malfunction symptoms. The main P0734 fault symptom for the driver is the illuminated MIL, malfunction indicator light. This is also referred to as the check engine or simply check engine light. They can also manifest as the check engine control lamp on the control panel will light up. The code will be stored in the ECM memory as a fault. Delayed or no shift into fourth gear. Slipping of the automatic transmission. Increased fuel consumption. Sometimes drivers may not notice any indication of this fault. Causes of the error. The P0734 code could mean that one or more of the following problems have occurred: low or dirty ATF transmission fluid, blocked transmission fluid passages, mechanical failure of the transmission, blockage inside the main transmission governor, faulty shift solenoid, damaged or defective PCM module. How to eliminate or clear fault. Code P0734. Some suggested steps for troubleshooting and correcting error. Code P0734. All damaged system circuits and connectors should be checked, repaired or replaced. Any damaged or defective components inside the transmission should be replaced. Check and, if necessary, replace the defective PCM. If the problem is low or contaminated ATF transmission fluid, the fluid should be topped up or replaced. You should also pay attention to other error codes. These may have appeared in conjunction with the P0734 code. These can help you determine which parts need repair or replacement. Diagnosing and solving problems. Be sure to check the level and condition of the ATF fluid before continuing with the diagnosis. Incorrect fluid levels or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems, affecting the operation of various gears. Transmission clutches are normally controlled by solenoid or fluid pressure. If there is an electrical problem with the shift solenoid, a code relating to this fault should be displayed. Eliminate the electrical problem before proceeding. You may need to use a diagnostic scanner to determine which equipment the transmission is controlling, and determine whether the engine speed matches the output speed calculated from the transmission sensor. Solving this type of fault often requires knowledge of transmission operation and overhaul. Consult the factory service manual for specific vehicle diagnostic procedures. In which vehicles is this problem most common? The problem with code P0734 can occur in a variety of cars, but there are always statistics on which this error occurs most frequently. Here's a list of some of them: Audi, A6, TD, BMW, E46, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Ford, Escape, F-150, Focus, Mondeo, Taurus, Hyundai, Accent, Elantra, Getz, Matrix, Santa Fe, Solaris, Tiburon, Tucson, Infiniti, Jeep, Grand Cherokee, Kia, Ceed, Rio, Spectra, Mazda 3, 6, Demio, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Opel, Peugeot, Saturn, Skoda, SsangYong, Kirin, Subaru, Impreza, Volkswagen, Jetta, Multivan, Passat, Rutan, Volvo, Lada, Granta. With fault code P0734 it is sometimes possible to find other faults. The most common are the following: P0171, P0320, P0700, P0725, P0730, P0731, P0732, P0733, P0735, P0736, P0761, P0792, P1000, P1529, P1635. Fault code P0734, incorrect equipment ratio 4. In conclusion, understanding and addressing fault code P0734, which indicates an incorrect equipment ratio, is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance. By recognizing the symptoms and following a systematic approach to diagnosis, you can effectively troubleshoot the issue. Remember to check the transmission fluid levels, inspect for any mechanical failures, and utilize an OBD2 scanner for accurate readings. If you're comfortable, clearing the error code by hand can be a straightforward process, but always prioritize safety and consult a professional if needed. With the right knowledge and tools, you can ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and safe driving.